A successful singer's noise fight with a Warwick neighbor makes its way to the state's high court. The I-team's Brian Crandall reported on this feud a few weeks ago. Follows up tonight. Brian?
Vanessa Carlton and her husband, also a musician, took the business property owners next door to court a year and a half ago, claiming the noise coming from there was a nuisance. And they won that first round, but the property owners have fought back to the Rhode Island Supreme Court, which heard the case today. Locked in a bitter battle, Patuxent Village neighbors squared off today in front of the state Supreme Court. On one side, singer-songwriter Vanessa Carlton, who had a huge hit with 1,000 Miles 2 decades ago, and her husband John McCauley from the band Deer Tick. They left the talking today to their lawyer.
Turn on a leaf blower in your kitchen and then tell me how you like it. That's what they're living through.
On the other side, Artek Avagian, who's a co-owner of the land next door on Post Road. Do you think you've done anything wrong here?
Absolutely not. We've not done anything wrong. We've tried to be neighborly, and it just isn't working out with them. We don't make much noise there.
The complaints from Carlton and McCauley first came in the summer of 2024, when construction work was happening on the property. A Superior Court judge ordered the property owners not to exceed city noise level limits and to stop noise that, quote, unreasonably interferes with Carlton and McCauley's enjoyment of their property. The couple and other neighbors we've recently talked to claim the noise has not stopped, with big trucks coming in.
They're bad neighbors. They fundamentally don't respect anyone around them, not just my clients. There's a surrounding neighborhood that's being impacted by their behavior.
I think they're wrong, let's put it that way.
In appealing the previous court order to the Supreme Court, the property owner's lawyer argues they've never violated Warwick's noise level rules, and that these days the lot is mostly used for storing stuff.
The noise is not in violation of the ordinance, and so for those reasons, they really shouldn't be prevented from doing their business.
Carlton and McCauley's lawyer points out the city's zoning board in November found the property was in violation of its light industrial designation.
At every place where there's been a hearing on the merits of this, they've not been successful.
Well, the property owners are also fighting the zoning board ruling, in a separate court case. The Supreme Court will issue its decision on the noise issue at a later date. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.